Welcome back again. We are looking at Windows Live Movie Maker. We previously uploaded a video. We also uploaded a separate audio track. You can see the video here is laid out as an MP4 file. You can see when I go over the video. And our audio right here is laid over the top. And I can move this stuff around. I can move my cursor around to get to a certain point in the video. Move this thing around. Right. I can also change when I want my audio to start, when I want it to come in. So maybe you can time it out where you click on that audio. You can actually pull this around. Maybe you want your audio to start at the 12-second mark. You can see right here it's at 12 seconds. Or a lot of times what I'll do is go set this where I want it. Say I want it right here at the 5-second mark. Set it to 5 seconds. I'll go and then pull my audio over to that same 5-second mark. Kind of saw where that mark was. If you need to get it perfect, you can. Try to get that thing lined up. But you can move it over. Get that audio and that video lined up. Now some of the other basics that we have. You can add title screens, captions, credits, various things. Here are some themes. The problem with the themes is that as soon as you put in a theme, what's going to happen is it does a little playthrough practice, is for one. And what it also does is it adds slides in for you. It's like a template. So it'll add some of those captions and some of those things right away. If we go up to the editing tool, this is going to be a very, very valuable tool for you. So if I click on my video, the one that you're going to use a great deal is going to be your trim tool. When I click on my trim tool, here's what happens. You are given two little blocks right here and right here. You can move those around. When you have parts of videos that maybe you started recording before the person was talking, so you say action, you hit play, and then maybe they'll start talking a second later. If you want to cut out some of that video that was a mistake, or maybe in this video at the end there's this paper ball that flies in, maybe they want to cut that out because that wasn't supposed to be in there, and they want to get it so it ends right here. When Landon is out of the screen, but before that ball gets thrown, they want that video to end right there. What you'll do is you'll go up and you'll hit Save Trim. And once you hit Save Trim, it actually cuts that part of the video off, and it's eliminated from the video. You can do it on both ends. Maybe you want to eliminate this beginning part and go right to the part where Riley's out of the screen. So maybe you want it to be this video right here. And you can hit play to see a practice. You hit play. I'm eliminating the audio from it. But you can see that it's going to end early right as Landon walks out before that ball gets thrown in there. So that is a great tool that you're going to want to use to do some of your editing. I'm going to hit cancel because I don't want to save any of those changes. You can also split it. Wherever you put this little black mark right here, it's going to split that video into two different parts. So maybe it's all good except for one middle segment. Maybe you want to split it right here before he starts turning to Connor. So right here you want to split it. You press the split button. It just made that two separate files. Now you could go and select this one and trim it. And maybe you wanted to trim off this beginning portion when he turns. And you can do so. So you can actually trim out the middle section too. So using that splitting and trimming is a very, very valuable tool as well. One creative thing that you might want to do is if you do have audio that does not turn out very good with your video, you may want to add new audio. So in this case, I added a new audio file, and we added it right over the top of this video file. Well, the problem is that the audio from the original video file is going to play as well. But what you can do is that if you change your speed to any speed besides 1x, that's the original speed. Let's just say you want to slow it down and you want to go quarter speed, 0.25. You can press play. You can see it plays it in slow motion. It's also going to be 57 seconds long now. That's slow motion. So you might want to split videos apart, trim, split, trim, add those, and then take that small little section that you trimmed out of there, or you split it in a couple different parts, and make one part slow motion. The nice part is that if you make the speed anything besides 1, so I'm going to make it 0.99. I'm going to press enter. So it's almost 1. Your eye will not be able to tell the difference between the two. But the best part is that it cut out the old audio. If it's not 1x, the old audio is not going to be a part of it. So now it cut out my old audio, and I can use my new audio in the video. Right? But the key for that is making sure that you change this 1x to 0.99. And that's what you can do to change that speed. So then you can go in and add your own audio. So that's how you can add your own audio. That's how you can split and trim using this. Again, just the split and the trim. Let's just say you take this last one. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this right here. Let's just say that I do want, I want the part where Landon walks off in slow motion. I want a slow motion dramatic walk. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to split it. And now I have this last portion. And I'm going to go right here until he gets out of the video. I'm going to split it again. Okay, so this part right here, where he's walking, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go take this one little segment. I'm going to change the speed to 0.5, enter. So now when I play the video, it's in full speed, except for the part when Landon goes walking off. That part can be in slow motion. That's how you can use the slow motion feature, make it a little bit more dramatic, especially with some of your Newton's Laws videos where you may have one part where there's a crash or something happening that you want to slow down. That's what you can do.